ready to make your Tableau charts pop with clarity and precision. Let's dive into a practical example where we want to display sales figures currently. The axis is automatically scaled by Tableau, likely in increments that don't suit our story. This makes identifying significant changes harder. First, select the axis you want to customize. Typically the vertical axis, then, right-click on the axis and select Edit Axis. This opens the Edit Axis dialog box. Inside the Edit Axis window, under the Range section, you'll see options for setting a fixed range. Currently, it's set to automatic. This automatically adjusts the range based on our data to tailor the scale. We'll use the Fixed option. Select Fixed now. Adjust the minimum and maximum values based on your data. For this example, let's say our sales data ranges from 0 to 2000. Enter those values into the minimum and maximum fields within the Edit Axis window. Now, let's control the axis increments under tick marks. Select Fixed. Here's where we define our interval in the Fixed interval field. Enter 200. This sets our axis to increment by 200. Click OK. Your axis now displays increments of 200. This makes it significantly easier to read and to spot those critical variances in your data. Axis formatting enhances storytelling. Remember, understanding customizations will help you communicate much more effectively through visualizations. Thank you for watching.